went to my primary care doctor first, and he did some basic labs on me, just the regular kind of stuff that you get at your annual wellness visit, and told me that everything looked fine and that I'm completely healthy. I was struggling with the low motivation, fatigue. I was struggling getting my work done, also low libido level. So when I came to the Recharge Clinic, they offered to do my lab work, and Dr. Teach offered, to check like my vitamin D levels and my testosterone levels. And I found out that my levels were low, of course. So they were able to offer me hormone replacement therapy. And immediately, I mean, literally within the first week, I feel like I began to see improvements in my concentration levels at work. My energy levels. I was getting my work done in a more timely manner. And interestingly, I felt like for myself, I felt more sociable. And also too, it really kind of helped my intimate life with my husband. Things have been really good since then. I feel like I have the energy to work out. I feel strong. I feel lean. You really don't know until you try. And I, for one, am very happy that I tried. I'm elated, honestly. I would recommend anyone go to Recharge.